Today, let's draw and paint a dragonfly. Let's begin. Dragonflies are a type of flying insect. They are recognized by their distinct appearance of a long body with two pairs of strong, transparent wings. They vary in color, including red, brown, blue, and yellow. Did you know there are over 5,000 different species of dragonflies? In fact, the largest insect known to inhabit Earth was a dragonfly called the Meganeuropsis permiana. This huge insect had a body length of almost 17 inches. Nowadays, we come across much smaller dragonfly species, averaging at 1 to 4 inches in length. Come on and join me. Let's color this wonderful species. Color green. Dragonfly fun facts. Dragonflies are relatively friendly creatures. They don't usually bite humans. Dragonflies have nearly 360-degree vision. Dragonflies can fly backwards. If a dragonfly lands on you, it is considered by many people to be a sign of good luck. In ancient times, people believed dragonflies were actual dragons due to their impressive flying abilities and vivid coloring. Color light blue. Just one dragonfly can consume over 100 mosquitoes in a day. Dragonflies use the sun to help warm their body. by extending their wings to absorb as much heat as they possibly can. Color yellow.